Welcome to the KOREHUB. I'm Dr. Rafaqat Kazmi. Today we are going to explore the basic of Python programming, starting with the print function. If you are new to the programming, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Printing a simple message. In programming languages, you have built-in functions to print text or other data to the screen. In Python, the built-in function for this is simply called print. Let's see how we can print hello world in Python. Print hello world. Just like that, with one line of code, we can print hello world to the screen. Let's run it. Printing different data types. The print function isn't just for strings. You can also print numbers, decimals, and booleans. Let me show you. Print 100, print 99.99, print true, print 1, 2, 3, print name, Alice, age 25. All these different data types can be printed just easily. Printing multiple items. Now, what if you want to print multiple items at once? You can do that by separating each item with a comma, like print apple, comma banana, comma cherry, print age, comma 30, comma height, comma 5.8, print true, comma 100, comma Python 1, 2, 3. Python prints functions is smart enough to handle different data types together. Using the sep parameter. The sep parameter controls what gets printed between the multiple items. Print apple, comma banana, comma cherry, comma sep equal. Double quotes. Print Python is fem sep double quotes. Print 2024, comma 6, comma 27, sep equal to backslash. By definition, the sep parameter is a space, but you can change it in anything you like using end parameter. The end parameter is to set to backslash n by default, which means a new line, but you can change it to anything you like. Print hello and is equal to print word, print Python and is equal to is, print awesome. If you change n to a space, both print statements will print on the same line. Advanced parameters, file and flush. Finally, there are a couple of more advanced parameters, file and flush. We will cover these when we get to the file handling in Python. Print. This will go to standard error. File is equal to sys.stderr. Print flushing the output buffer. Flush is equal to true. That's it for today video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.